It's been so long since I promised you guys this video, but it's just now that I really had the courage to do it because I really wanted to make sure of everything before sharing anything to you guys. Ever since I was young, my skin is very sensitive that even mosquito bites would leave marks in my body and everything. So that's how sensitive my skin is. That's why when I had this acne breakout, even though I get facials and everything would leave a mark in my face because that's how my skin is. And it really affected me and my confidence because it's really not nice to have so much things in your face and then you don't know what to do but to stick to your best friends, which are your makeup. So there, I really had so much makeup the past years because of my skin, because it was this worse. This was back in April and I really didn't know what to do. I didn't know it was this bad. I was really fortunate that during this time everyone was in lockdown and I really didn't need to cover it and everything, and I got to hide in my shell with these marks. And there, it was really emotional for me because when I saw my face like this, that's when I went back to all my photos, and that's when I saw that I didn't make so much memories in photos because I didn't really like showing myself. Being my sentimental self, I really had so much photos ever since high school, and I saw the decline of photos. That's why I really reflected and saw how my pimples affected me. So what happened? How did this happen? This was just April 2020 and now look at my face. I'm not really very confident that it's clear because I'm wearing light makeup now, and as you can see, I have pimples. Look, it's one there, and I have marks here and here because of the mask. I'm nowhere near perfect skin like all the Koreans in the Korean dramas, but I'm so happy with the progress from April 2020 and from the previous years. I'm so happy with the progress because even though I have marks on my face, I could go out of the house with just sunblock. So there, that's a big improvement. I got to let go of many makeup in my drawers because I'm really confident now compared to before. So there, let's move on to what I really did because I know that's what you're here for. So I have 5 things to share to you guys, but the very first thing is that, guys, you have to take care of yourself because the past years that I really had worse breakouts were the years that I was really so down because I had so much going on with my life. That's why I didn't get enough sleep, and sometimes I don't eat, and then when I eat everything in bulk and everything that I'm craving for. So that's how unhealthy I was, and I really go out every Friday night, Saturday nights, and I just lived a life that was so unhealthy. And on the top of that, I don't drink so much water. I drink many different drinks but not water, so I was unhealthy. So the first thing is to be healthy, guys. Always get enough sleep, always eat healthy food, and always hydrate yourself. Hydration is the second one that I'm gonna tell you guys. Just drink your water, guys. I know it's hard, and coming from a person who always has UTI, guys, trust me, you don't want to experience what I experienced. Because even though I get breakouts back then, it wasn't that worse. The one I had in April 2020 was the worst because what happened is that January I got hospitalized because of my UTI. So it was that worse. I had to be absent for 2 weeks in my internship duty because of my UTI, guys. After that, I was getting well and my body was getting more healthy because I had so much antibiotics, I had so much vitamins, I had so much of everything to make my body healthy. And after that, February and March, I started having hair fall. And after the hair fall, all the pimples just went out because my derma told me that when your immune system goes down, it will reflect then in your face and in your hair. So that's what happened to me. But even before that, I had breakouts, but this was the worst because of the immune system, because I had a very weak immune system because of my UTI. So there, hydrate yourself. It's not only for your face, it's for your whole body, because don't be like me. It was worse. And the third thing is, guys, consult a dermatologist, because just like that, just like what happened to me, I really didn't know why my hair was falling, why my acne was that worse. So all the questions that I ask myself, the derma answered for me, and my derma did everything to make my face clear. The first month after April, I took antibiotics. I really had oral medication for my acne and my hair. And after that, that's when I have skincare routine na talaga. But the first ones, I needed the oral medication that I couldn't get when I'm in facial centers in malls. So even though I had trusted mall facial centers like Skin 101 or Surgilite, their dermatologist is always not around when I'm there. So there, it's the first time I really had a dermatologist consult after how many years when I got here in Pampanga. So all the oral medicine that my derma gave me worked, and now all the products that she gave me for my skincare routine also work. So I'm really so happy that I consulted a dermatologist, because they could answer whatever your questions are, and they could really look through your blood tests and everything, and really look at your overall health. Fourth thing, guys, is to not copy and know yourself better. Because, guys, not everything posted that you see online is gonna work well with you. So if you see someone do this treatment and try this laser treatment, try this facial treatment, you have to look into it and look into what your skin needs before trying it, because it's different for everyone. Not everything that would work for someone would work in your face, because we have different skin types, guys. So you have to be aware of your skin type. Like for me, my skin type varies, because, guys, our skin constantly changes, and our skincare routine should also change with the change in our skin type. So we should know our skin type better. So if you don't know your skin type, you could read onto it. It's really a matter of reading stuff for yourself, not reading stuff to copy, reading stuff to know about yourself better. So you should read into skin types and look at what skin type you have for the moment. If these products would be good in your skin now, it doesn't necessarily mean that it would be good for how many years. I really study everything about my face and everything about the things I put in my face, because all the skincare products that we buy have ingredients on them, and these ingredients are placed in packaging for a reason, because there are many ingredients that don't go together. So you have to read the ingredients and know what ingredients are there in your products. I know it's quite complicated, but guys, just look through the ingredients of your skincare product and you would see the pros and cons of that ingredients. And there are many articles where they say what ingredient won't go with this ingredient, so you know how to match your skincare products, how to create your skincare routine. So there, guys, it's really complicated, but you have to know your products, you have to know what you're putting in your skin, and you have to know yourself. So there, our fourth tip is to not copy and to know yourself, know your skin type better, know your products before using them. So there. And the fifth thing, guys, my last tip for you guys is to be confident even with those acne breakouts, because it would be worse for you to feel so down about it, and it would be worse for you to cover it up every now and then, because that wouldn't do anything for your face. It would just make it worse. Stop worrying and just be confident about yourself, guys. Even with the pimple marks and all those scars, you're beautiful. So don't cover it up. Just go to your derma, know your skin type, know your skincare products, and live a healthy life. And those would be gone. For now, they are there, but those would be gone. You're still pretty even with those pimple marks, acne, scars. Everyone gets it. There are some who have good genes who wouldn't get it, but everyone would get it in their lifetime. So don't be ashamed and be confident about it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next videos. If you want my skincare routine, I would share it in another video, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a very practical how I cleared my skin video. So thank you so much. Bye, guys.